In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page layout in WPS Office Writer. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially when you need to switch between portrait and landscape pages depending on your document layout. In this video, I will show you how to change the entire document from portrait to landscape, how to switch it back from landscape to portrait, and finally, how to make only one page landscape while keeping the rest of the document in portrait mode. Everything is easy to follow, so make sure to watch closely. To begin changing the page layout, start by going to the Page Layout option. Once you click on it, you will see the Orientation setting. Click on the drop-down menu, and here you will find two options, Portrait and Landscape. If you select Landscape, all pages in your document will immediately change to landscape orientation. This is useful when your content needs more horizontal space, such as wide tables or charts. In the same way, if you go back to the Orientation option and select Portrait, the entire document will return to portrait mode. This method affects all pages at once, which works perfectly when your document only needs one consistent layout throughout. Now, if you want to change only one page to landscape while keeping the other pages in portrait, you will need to use section breaks. First, go to the View tab. From there, click on Multiple Pages so you can clearly see your pages side by side. At this point, all pages should still be in portrait mode. Next, click on the first page. Then, go to the Insert tab. Under Breaks, select Next Page Section Break. This creates a new section in your document. After that, move to the third page and repeat the same step. Go to the Insert tab again, choose Breaks, and click Next Page Section Break. This ensures that the second page is isolated within its own section. Now, click anywhere inside the second page. Once your cursor is active on that page, go to the Layout tab. From there, change the page orientation to landscape. You will now see that only the second page is in landscape mode, while the first and third pages remain in portrait mode. This allows you to mix page orientations smoothly within the same document. That is how you can easily change the orientation of all pages or just a single page in WPS Office Writer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you again in the next one.